Hello student, a very warm welcome to BEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher. So we have already started our chapter 6, that is changes around us. Means in this chapter we are learning different changes which are happening or which are taking place around us every moment. Okay, so we have the topic that is periodic and non-periodic changes and desirable and undesirable changes. Okay, so first topic we have today, that is periodic and non-periodic changes. Means with the name we can already get an idea. We have already get an idea that it is something related to time. Okay, so there are some changes which repeat themselves after a fixed interval or after a regular interval of time. These changes are called as periodic changes. Means some changes which repeat after period of time or after interval of time, regular interval of time. So these changes are called as periodic changes. As we have the example, formation of day and night. Okay, after every fixed time, that 12 hours of night, 12 hours of day. Means daily day and night have changes, day to night, night to day. Motion of swing. Okay, motion of swing is also changed after a fixed interval. Same movement of pendulum, like a clock. Okay, movement of pendulum, or we if we will see the example of clock. So every hour, after every hour, our needle move and it will change an hour. That means it is a fixed things which will repeat themselves after a regular time or fixed time. So these changes are called as a fixed changes, periodic changes. Now if we will talk about the non-periodic changes, means there are still some types of changes which do not repeat themselves. Okay, there are some changes which do not repeat themselves regularly. So these type of changes are called as non-periodic changes, like natural disasters, like floods, earthquakes. They are the these are the changes in our universe, but it is not possible, or it is not always compulsory that that these changes will be regular. So these type of changes are called as non-periodic changes. Okay, now next topic we have desirable and undesirable changes. Means in our universe or our surroundings, there are some changes which are very useful to us, and we want that these changes will take place around us. So these types of changes are called as desirable changes. Like we want that a plant will grow from seed to plant. We want that fruits will become ripe, so we will able to eat it. We want that bad clothes will be dry. We want that food will be cooked easily. So means there are some changes which we want and which are useful for us. So these changes are called as desirable changes. Okay, but still there are few changes, so many changes which are very harmful to us, and we don't want that this type of changes will take place around us. So these type of changes are called as undesirable changes. Okay, now accident, like accident, disaster, spoiling of food. Means these are the changes, they happen sometimes in our life, but we don't want it because these are very harmful for us. So that's why these are as a undesirable changes. Now we can control spoilage by the keeping food in refrigerator. We can control some undesirable changes. Means undesirable changes will take place if we, but we can control them. The first example we have food, spoiling of food. So we can keep our food in the refrigerator, so our we can prevent the food to spoil. Okay, as the rusting of iron, we all know the rusting of iron is also harmful, but we can stop this, we can prevent this by applying a coating of layer of zinc cover on the iron. So in this way we can prevent the rusting of iron. So that means if there are some undesirable changes, some, not all the undesirable changes, some undesirable changes we can prevent by adopting some precautions. Okay, so some changes are desirable at some time, but some undesirable at the same time. As we want to fire to cook the food. Okay, we want to fire to light up to cook the food, but at the other side Fire is also undesirable change because it may damage all the, it may burn our surrounding. If it is in huge amount, then it will burn our belongings, so it becomes an undesirable changes. So that means there are some changes which are desirable at one side, but next side it is very harmful, or these are the undesirable changes, like we have given the example of fire. Okay. Similarly, running of an air conditioner is desirable if it is summer, but if it is winter it is undesirable, because we can't tolerate that much uh, minimum temperature, that means low temperature. So all, it is not possible that it will happen with all the changes. There are some undesirable changes which becomes desirable according to our need, and there are still some undesirable changes, so we can prevent them, we can control them by having some precautions. Okay, so this is our video. Now you have to complete your activity 2. Okay, we will meet in the next live class on the video class.